If you go back in time, you realize how much simpler digital messaging was. In the late 90s, most people were on AOL Instant Messenger. Then we moved on to basic text messaging. Now I've got messages from tons of different services flying at me in every direction.
Yeah, I get it. Choice is good, but this is just overwhelming. Can't we just all gather in one app and have meaningful conversations there? But the question is where? Standard text messaging is good, but it's not group friendly. iMessage is, but you have to have an iPhone. Then there's BlackBerry Messenger and Google Hangouts, but they're actually not as good as some of these new apps that have arrived. Yes, we are at the dawn of a new mobile messaging era. As you might have heard, Facebook has acquired WhatsApp for over $19 billion. And then there are other apps that do similar things. So I went on a journey, a mobile messaging journey, to test out 4 of these popular services: Kik, Viber, WhatsApp, and another called WeChat, to see where we should find our messaging home.
All of these messaging apps work in pretty much the same way. You download the iPhone, Android, or Windows Phone app, put in your phone number, and then the app scans your address book to identify contacts who are on the service. You can then send chats to people privately or group message.
How is this really different from text messaging? I don't really understand.
That's my mom, and that was one of her first questions that she had when I asked her to start testing some of these apps with me. But she quickly did figure out why these were better than text messaging. She saw that there were extra features like voice notes, and she said that they felt speedier. So we got to testing, first with WhatsApp.
The best thing about WhatsApp is how easy it is to get started and create group chats. My mom and dad loved receiving instant voice messages from me and my sister.
Hi everyone, we miss you.
It's also really easy to throw in photos and fun video. But the app actually lacks a lot of features that the others have, such as animated stickers and other fun multimedia. But that's what we loved about Kik. The service is already really popular with teens, and that's because of the visual aspect of the messaging. It goes way beyond text. You can easily put in images, YouTube videos from the web, fun stickers, and even put your own words into popular meme photos right from the app. There's also a really fun sketching feature. It's a lot of fun to play with, but it's also confusing and cluttered, just like a teenager's brain. Then we moved on to WeChat, which is extremely popular in China and has even more tricks. It has a large selection of stickers, including ones from your favorite Pixar and Disney characters. Yes, I did pay $1 for those Monsters University stickers. And in addition to voice notes and videos, it also has an amusing walkie-talkie mode.
Breaker, what's your 20?
I am headed down the Atlanta Highway looking for a low getaway. Over.
But for all those fun features, WeChat's overall interface is dull, and it lacks expected perks like showing when a message has been delivered. Also, my mom and some other friends found this one to be the hardest to set up and to start using group chat. Our last stop was an app called Viber, which is much more focused on audio calls. In addition to audio messages, you can do full calling over Wi-Fi or your data connection. The app also has a nice selection of fun stickers and lets you easily send a doodle or a doodle on top of a photo. But Viber still hasn't been updated for iOS 7, so it still has the old keyboard on the iPhone, and in general, it's just not as cleanly designed as some of the others.
So my journey ended where it began, with an edict that my friends and family start using WhatsApp. While I liked all the other services, WhatsApp was just the easiest to use and get started with. That said, I'd still like to see it get some web chat features and some stickers. I'm probably never going to get all my friends and family on one service anymore, but I'm betting that most people start to join some of these. That, or we could go back in time and hop on AOL.